this UV toothbrush sanitizer and dryer was kindly sent to me so I could try it out, and let's hang it up first. So this is already all charged up. I did that right when I got it out of the box. And you'll want that initial charge, you'll want to charge for at least 6 hours. So I decided to put it on our bathroom mirror for 2 reasons. The walls are slightly textured. I just wanted the stick to be really good. And this holds 4 toothbrushes. So we'll just put it right in the middle between, you know, my husband's sink and then my sink. I have already cleaned off our mirror there. That way that it will stick really well. And then you'll see it will tell you, so like here's the up arrow. So I wanna make sure I stick it this way. I think the hardest part will be just hanging it up straight and in the middle. They do give you an extra sticky holder as well, which I thought was nice. And this is what the back looks like. So it looks like it just will slide right into place. And it did. First off, you're gonna get 2 cups at the top, and then you can easily remove this piece to wash it out, which I love that part as well. And then it just slides right back into place. Put your 2 cups in, and by the way, this can breathe at the bottom, so if there are some water drops in the cup, you're fine, it can still breathe. This will actually hold 4 toothbrushes. So for fun, I went and grabbed my kids' toothbrushes as well, and I just want to see how well all 4 fit. So initially, to turn it on, you'll want to hold this for 3 seconds, and then if you want it to go up to the longer setting, you can do that as well by pushing this right here. And let's get these toothbrushes hooked in. So you're just going to want to put them in right like that. And it looks like all 4 of them, and this is kind of interesting because we all have different brands of toothbrush. So I am curious how they will all fit. And my husband's toothbrush feels actually pretty heavy, but okay, it's all holding it really well. So this is designed for electric toothbrushes. So if you have those, that's no problem at all. You can also use a regular toothbrush. How could I forget? There is a spot for the toothpaste too, so I'm really liking that. As for the battery, it's very strong. So you're going to get 90 days of auto mode standby time before you'll need to recharge it. And then when you do need to recharge it, just allow 4 to 8 hours of it being plugged in, charge it back up, and then you're good to go for another quite a while. So the noise level of this, you could hear it when I was talking in that last clip. It's not ridiculously loud, so that's another nice perk, is it's not like obnoxiously loud. And what sets this apart from other products kind of like this is most of these don't have a dryer. So the fact that this has the UV sanitizer is fantastic, but then the part that has a dryer as well is even better. And I love it too, because really one of these in our bathroom, our kids could come in and use, even if they were using it once a week when they remember, that's still way more often. That right now it's not getting sanitized at all. So the fact that this fits 4 brushes in my mind is great. So if you're looking for a way to sanitize and dry your toothbrushes, a device that's easy to clean and virtually requires almost no setup, I really like this.